Hey y'all, the dish that I'm cooking today is a wonderful dish for a hurry up mom, and it's called chicken boudine or bodine, however you choose to pronounce that word, Boudine. Uh, so simple, simple, simple. It's got started. We're going to get it started with 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. And it's just a mix, mix, mix. And this is when those rotisserie chickens that you can get at the grocery store, y'all, come in so handy. Calls for 4 cups of pulled chicken. Oh, thank you for my cheese, Teresa.
Hey, we did not have that.
But this is one of those things that you can just mix, 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 mix up so easy. All right, we got a 1/2 cup of chicken stock, and we make that with our wet base. We've got
this is
2 cans. Oh, thank you.
Not all of it, just however much you want to put on. It says a cup, but I know you go for more. So.
Well, yeah, we'll probably use a little bit more. 2 cans of mushrooms, 1/4 cup of sherry. Now, to me, this is optional. The red pimento, I don't care for them in my casseroles. But it, the one thing it is good for is adding color. But you know what? There, we'll say we did. Look, there's our color. All right. So, all right, I'm going to add my almonds. And I toasted these off, and it's 1/3 of a cup of slivered. And I do love the slivered, not the sliced. I don't know why, but it makes a difference. So in those goes. In those goes. And we've got 4 cups of wonderful, wonderful chicken that we've picked. See a little vein there. Don't want any veins in it. But it's so much better if you use the dark and the white, because the flavor really comes from that dark meat. So anytime I'm making any kind of chicken casserole, I always make sure that I use the whole entire chicken, not just breast. Okay. I think that I have, again, I hadn't gotten a big enough bowl out. Let me see. I didn't think I'd need one this big, but I think that I am. I don't know what it is about me and trying to push my luck. But I think it depends on what all I got in the drawer. Whatever's handy. All right. I'm going to fold in my egg noodles. And that was 2 cups, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
2 cups of egg noodle. And then my cheese. And that was probably maybe a cup of cheese that I just put in there. Maybe, baby.
It's 2 cups total in it.
Uh-huh.
In it, and then
a
cup on top.
Yeah. So 2 cups all together, right?
Inside the cup, yes.
Yeah. Okay, so that's it, y'all. That is it. A hurry up mama meal. I'm starving and I've got basketball practice. So please feed me quick. So that's what we're doing. Quick, quick, quick. And you can make this earlier in the day and stick it in the refrigerator and pull it out when you're ready to. I hadn't finished squeezing that out.
I should have known.
I know. Look, but see, that's juice. That's juice that I got to get, Teresa. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know, all of us had some idiosyncrasies or whatever that word is. Okay. So it tells you, the recipe tells you to put the cheese on top of it now, but I don't like to do that because that cheese will get a crust on it, and I don't like that. So I'll do it the last 5 minutes. Look, look, look. You hear it bubbling? Yeah. Delicious. And you know, most children, I've found, will eat a dish if they don't see anything green in it. You know? Oh my goodness. Can't wait to taste it. Been so long since I've made this. And we use that good cheese that melts, really melts. You know, and doesn't just get hard. Ooh, this is hot. See how creamy it is? I want it right now.
That's going to burn your mouth.
I know, I'm going to blow it. I'm going to cool it. You can't beat it, y'all. It reminds me of like a beef stroganoff. It's like, tastes like a chicken stroganoff almost. You know, with the noodles in there.
You could add a vegetable into that.
Oh, yeah.
Like a peas or something. I know
That's
you
right.
said green, but you know what I mean. Broccoli.
Yes.
But to get the vegetable.
Yes, yes, yes. But it's so good just like this without a lot of interfering flavors. Love that pasta. Most fat girls love pasta. And the crunchy almonds. So you mamas and daddies, whoever does the cooking in your household, you'll want to put this recipe in your recipe box. Because I think you'll be making it time and time and time again. So love and best dishes, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.